Hello, everybody. This is my dividend stock portfolio. I just thought I'd give a little bit of an insight on what I'm doing. Um, this video is not any type of financial advice. I'm just putting this out there. Maybe it will be able to um, just give some perspective on dividend investing and uh, kind of what goes on with it and some of the things that I'm looking at with dividend investing, and maybe sharing this can help you. So, anyways, um, as you'll notice, not all of these companies are dividend companies. My uh, the one that I have the most, I would say, my portfolio allocation in is Tesla. That's well, it's had a recent huge run up in the market. It was not my number one position. I never intended it to be my number one position. I just have not yet trimmed it back at all, and I don't intend on anytime soon. Um, we'll just see where it goes from here. I do not. I haven't added to that position in since about 3 months ago, but it just kind of grew into where it is now. But anyways, back to the dividend investing. Um, so here's all the companies that I have. I have AT&T, Apple, Prudent Financial, Johnson and Johnson, 3M, ExxonMobil, and you can just keep going down the list here. Just kind of look and see the different companies. I do have a category here for my number of shares, and this is a Google Sheets document. So um, if you plug all the stuff in, it actually calculates the um, the share price for you in these different stocks. So that's one good thing that I like about Google Sheets is it does a lot of the math for you. So it's pretty automatic, and it's a good way of tracking your overall portfolio. Um, so I do have PEs for each of these companies. Um, I don't at these times. I'm not really relying on the PE, but it is a good metric to kind of judge if the company is undervalued or not. Um, and then I have the industry that the different companies are in. And then here's the part that I have a that you might find interesting is the portfolio allocation of all the different companies that I have, and this is the percentage of my overall portfolio of each company. So as I scroll down, I think my smallest one is Cardinal Health. You can see logo over there. But Cardinal Health is about 0.2%. Yeah, so these are all of my companies and some other metrics tracking over here. I just do like some averages at the bottom. This is the overall portfolio value, and this is the total dividends per year annually. So, and then this green number down here is what it projects to pay per month. So it's about $300 per month, and the top number is just kind of all the annual returns of each dividend stock added into one number, and that's how it gets that one. But yeah, that's just my portfolio in a nutshell, and let me know if you have any questions. Oh, also, here's some graphs down here. These are just the different sectors: healthcare, technology, financials, industrials. You can see, I think my biggest weighted one is technology. So, yeah, I've been slowly just kind of adding to that position too, but it continues to kind of grow on its own. Um, and you can see all the other sectors here. I kind of really like the healthcare sector right now. That's why I'm trying to add more into that sector as well. Here's the S&P weightings. So kind of like judge your portfolio against the S&P and see what it looks like. And as you can see, mine doesn't look too different, but at the same time, it doesn't look too similar either. Yeah. So, anyways, that's my portfolio. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave a comment below, and you can like and subscribe. Thank you.